Combining ancient paving methods with contemporary technology is what sets the EasyStone system apart. Starting with natural stones sourced from Brazil. Skilled craftsmen meticulously process them before combining them with plastic meshes. Although these stones come at a high cost, with basalt priced at around $85 per square meter. These stones are characterized by a variety of shapes, colors, and thicknesses. Its application extends seamlessly to interior and exterior spaces. The end result is a collection of blocks that harmoniously blend charm and simplicity. It is famous for its durability, capable of withstanding vehicular traffic. Hybris is an advanced insulating material. This isolation solution consists of a unique alveolar reflective structure. Its innovative design includes reflective layers that effectively bounce radiant heat, moisture, and wind resistance, good sound insulation, no shrinkage, and all-season performance. Hybris offers versatility in use, adapting seamlessly to different surfaces and structures, whether it is used in residential or commercial environments. Its lightweight formula makes installation hassle-free. One person can easily cut and assemble it. The thickness of the material ranges between 50 and 205 mm. A roll covering an area of 2.7 square meters costs $46. This resin is a high-performance, solvent-free, epoxy resin-based injection system designed to repair and strengthen structural concrete. Developed by MC-Injekt, a leading manufacturer of construction chemicals, this advanced solution offers unparalleled durability and strength. The system is specifically designed to penetrate and seal cracks in a concrete and brick and can even waterproof. In a few seconds, the resin expands 60 times and can even stop water under pressure. It is suitable for various applications such as structural rehabilitation, waterproofing, and corrosion protection, providing a reliable, long-lasting solution to enhance structural integrity. Ply-Gem Stone. Durata Easy Column Wrap is a revolutionary solution to enhance the exterior beauty of your home or building. It allows you to finish your home quickly and efficiently with stone veneer, even if you are not a professional. The company says you can purchase individual stones panels and special blocks to finish columns without the need for special tools or mortar. These coverings mimic the look and texture of genuine stone, adding a touch of sophistication to any architectural style. Durata Easy Column Wrap not only provides a stunning visual impact, but is also resistant to the elements, ensuring long-lasting beauty with minimal maintenance. It seamlessly blends timeless elegance with modern comfort. The RECTOR Rectolight roof system ensures a quick and straightforward installation, making it an ideal choice for modern construction projects and even for the renovation of historic structures. The system is lightweight for easy handling, reducing overall installation time. It is a combination of reinforced concrete beams and pressed wood elements. Extends from 1.8 to 8.6 meters wide. You can choose the thickness of the system board from 160 to 260 millimeter. You can easily customize it according to your project needs. The installation of the RECTOR Rectolight ceiling system is a rigorous certification, culminating in a ceiling system that enhances the aesthetics of the space and durability. If you need something more serious, or just want to make a radical change to the interior of the place, you should pay attention to these concrete panels. It consists of lightweight aggregate and cement, which makes it easier to handle and install faster. They grow up to 8 feet long and 4 feet wide and range from 0.5 to 2.5 inches thick. The panels are easily cut to size on site. Despite its low weight, the installation process involves panels using adhesives or mechanical fasteners. These panels maintain structural integrity and fire resistance, meeting stringent safety standards. Different colors are also available. Leier Durisol is a revolutionary building material that seamlessly combines the durability of concrete with the insulating properties of wood. Durisol consists of recycled wood chips bonded together with cement. This material was invented in the last century, and Durisol blocks still have strong requirements today. For example, they were used for flower beds. This is a set of 16 blocks for a flower bed, measuring 120 x 120 x 80 centimeters. They are lightweight, frost-resistant, and breathable. It provides a sustainable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional building materials. One piece is $25. The Insulfoam hybrid roof system represents a cutting-edge solution for durable, energy-efficient roofing applications. By combining the strength of traditional roofing materials with the strength of expanded polystyrene, EPS insulation, the polystyrene insulating layer provides superior thermal resistance. This enhances energy efficiency and reduces heating and cooling costs. The system's lightweight design ensures easy installation without compromising structural integrity. The closed cell structure provides exceptional moisture resistance, water repellency, and resistance to overall chemical and mechanical stress. This system is versatile, accommodates different roof styles and designs, and meets stringent industry standards for safety and performance. How to turn an ordinary wooden column into an elegant stone column. With Slatestone covers, you have a sophisticated solution to reinforce and protect external structural elements. These covers are easy to fit over railings, pergolas, porches, and other structures. The innovative two-piece design ensures easy installation, allowing you to transform simple columns into eye-catching features without the need for specialized tools. Standard size is 119 by 20 centimeters. Manufactured from high-quality polyurethane, these covers are resistant to fading, cracking, and weathering, ensuring long-lasting beauty with minimal maintenance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.